Look, mold like this could be hiding in your house. And check out this fence.
Moldy and black. You work hard scrubbing mold, but it keeps coming back. Now there's a simple spray that dissolves mold on contact.
This is Alien Power, the new multi-purpose stain remover with out-of-this-world results.
Just fill the bottle with water, add in our potent formula, then spray.
And watch Alien Power lift the mold away.
Plus, it's all made right here in the USA.
This is an advanced formulation that breaks down the molecular structure of mold, so it dissolves on contact, penetrating deep into cracks and pores for a complete cleaning. Look here, black mold can grow inside your washing machine. Alien Power makes it so easy to clean.
Now eliminating mildew in the bathroom is a breeze. Give it a spray and it's gone with ease.
Black mold is hiding under this mat. A simple spray and it's gone like that. Even use it outside, so mold and mildew have nowhere to hide. An entire moldy fence finished in no time. No scrubbing needed to get rid of the grime. Instantly upgrade the look of your siding with Alien Power. Even textured surfaces like stucco can look new again. Dirt and mold can ruin your deck. Now, just give it a spray and watch the stains fade away.
It can tackle the hardest cleaning jobs with ease. Don't replace water-stained ceiling tile.
With Alien Power, it disappears right before your very eyes. Gone to another galaxy.